This is cabin 10373. On the back of the door is all the important information. The lights. This is the thermostat. Here's closet number 1. Plenty of hangers, some shelves. You have to excuse us. We've been moved in for several days. Got some wire drawers. The shoe comes out. There's the hanger thing. And here's a second one. Full-length mirror. And you've got plenty of room in here. Some shelves. And this is our hamper. If you turn around, this is the bathroom. Lights on the outside. Good place for hang 2 things in here. This room, the bathroom is a little bit small. I've had bigger on different ships. There's your mirror. I bought this motion detector light on Amazon. So if you come in the middle of the night, you don't slip. Towels. 5 shelves. You've got the shower. Behind the towels here, I didn't notice at first, there's a shelf, and then there's another area you can store things in. You have 3 hooks where you can hang different things. We have our bed and our towel animal for the day. And the walls are magnetic. Put all our things on there. This is a really big TV for in here. My ducks that I made. And we've got the couch. On each side of the bed, you have these little shelves. You can plug your USB port into here. Then you pull this up for your light. You can move it around. I Build-A-Bear. Got a really nice lighted mirror. Got your USBs. We plug these in. 4 USBs. You've got some drawers. And you've got your 2 bigger drawers. There's room for quite a lot here. And this is another deep drawer. And then you've got your fridge. You can fit a lot in here. Got 2 floating shelves. And the balcony has chairs and table. And then it's got a lounger. This is the extended balcony. And today is a sea day. And the view from the side. And that is room 10373. Thank you for watching my video and have a great day.